doing this because of the vole problem. Instead of using pesticide, we will use actual owls instead. What really got me interested with doing this is that I saw a community garden that needed a lot of help. My mother owns a plot here and there are voles everywhere. And I also really love animals, and I want to kind of go back to how everything was and nature, doing what nature does and fixing itself. The biggest step was actually figuring out how much things would cost and what supplies you'll need. At first I just thought we would need concrete, you would just pour the concrete, but we need actually a rebar to make it, good foundation. All these things you don't know about, it's amazing. Doing something the first time like this, you learn a lot. The boxes were donated, thankfully, by you guys. That helped us a lot with diminishing the cost. To really help others with a community project, it's a great feeling. I really can't describe it. A human can't do everything, but you can do anything. If you always have that type of outlook on life, you could do these projects and feel great about it because you're doing something good for others and not for yourself.